Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to mute messages and calls of a specific chat on Instagram. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on this messenger icon on the top right corner and go for that specific chart in which you want to turn off the messages or call, and then tap add the name on the very top, and then here you can see a little bell icon. Just simply tap on it, and then here you can see the two options: mute messages and mute calls. Which option you want to turn off, just simply toggle on this in this way, and then here you can set a time for to mute, or you can just simply select until I change it, or if you want to select a specific time, just select it, or tap add, or you can tap add cancel and then toggle it on and select the time. You can also mute the calls like in the same way and then select the time. So that's how you can easily mute messages or calls on Instagram, or if you want to unmute them, just simply tap on it again and toggle off these options like in this way. So this is how you can do that. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you want a question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll recommend you to check the latest video and on screen. Wait, where are you just going? Make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.